Gyökeres signs for Arsenal after €85 million deal sealed by Berta, the goal machine arrives? It's official. Arsenal have landed Viktor Gyökeres in a blockbuster €85 million transfer signed, sealed, and delivered by the new master of deals at the Emirates, Andrea Berta. After months of negotiation and a relentless pursuit, the Gunners finally have their man. A proven striker. A cold-blooded finisher. A player who could turn Arsenal from contenders into champions. Gyökeres arrives from Sporting CP with an enormous reputation and an even bigger price tag. But for Arsenal fans, this is the signing they've been crying out for. Last season's title challenge fell short by the thinnest of margins, and many pointed to the lack of a natural, dominant number 9. That problem no longer exists. Gyökeres is here, and he's ready to take the Premier League by storm. Andrea Berta deserves massive credit. The Italian sporting director, still new in the Arsenal hierarchy, has made his first major statement. When Manchester United and Chelsea hovered around a deal, it was Berta who flew to Lisbon, met with sporting executives, and activated the full €85 million release clause without blinking. It wasn't just a signing, it was a message to the rest of Europe. Behind the scenes, the deal was anything but straightforward. Sporting held firm, demanding every euro of the clause. Arsenal had to negotiate image rights, player bonuses, and agent fees. But Berta's experience, calm demeanor, and reputation from his Atletico Madrid days helped push everything over the line. This was his masterclass, and it landed Arsenal a lethal weapon up front. Mikel Arteta is thrilled. In his unveiling comments, he couldn't hide his excitement. "We've worked very hard to find the right striker. Viktor brings intensity, goals, and a winning mentality. He's someone we've admired for a long time. The Spaniard knows this could be the final piece of the jigsaw, the missing link to turn dominance into silverware. Let's talk numbers." Gyökeres scored 43 goals and contributed 14 assists in all competitions last season. His blend of physical strength, clever movement, and clinical finishing made him the most feared striker in Portugal. He's not just a poacher, he presses, he links play, and he bullies defenders. Arsenal now have a striker in the mold of their Invincibles era, raw, powerful, and relentless. His arrival also frees up tactical possibilities. No more shoehorning Havertz as a false 9. No more reliance on Nketiah's inconsistency. Arsenal can now play with a genuine focal point, someone who can pin back centre-backs and open up space for the likes of Bukayo Saka, Martinelli, and Odegaard. It's a tactical revolution waiting to happen. The reaction from fans has been electric. Within hours of the announcement, the club store saw Gyökeres shirts fly off the shelves. Social media lit up with chants, memes, and dream lineups. Arsenal's YouTube unveiling video racked up millions of views in minutes. There's a buzz in North London, and it's justified. This isn't hype. It's history in the making. Even rival fans have taken notice. Manchester United thought they could hijack the deal. Chelsea explored it behind the scenes. But Arsenal moved swiftly and decisively, thanks to Berta's meticulous planning. It's a level of ruthlessness in the transfer market that Arsenal haven't shown in years. Now, they're not just participants, they're predators. Gyökeres has already joined the squad on their Asia tour and made an instant impression in training. Teammates described him as sharp, focused, and hungry. His connection with Rice and Odegaard during rondo drills has fans drooling. He hasn't played a match yet, but already, he looks like he's been part of this Arsenal team for years. The pressure will be high, no doubt. The price tag. The expectations. The headlines. but Gyökeres is no stranger to shouldering responsibility. At Sporting, he was the talisman. At Coventry, he carried the team. At Arsenal, he will have more quality around him but also more eyes watching. And from all indications, he's ready for the spotlight. So, here we are. Arsenal have done it. They've signed a true number 9. They've spent big. They've sent a message. And they've handed Mikel Arteta the firepower he's been crying out for. With Berta pulling the strings and Gyökeres now in the arsenal, the question isn't if this team will win trophies but when. North London just got serious.